brother. In 2013, I was diagnosed with a deadly disease, the ALS, better known as the Gehrig disease. When doctors told me that I only had 1 to 5 years to live, I told the doctor, "You can diagnose me, but God has the final say." And so, from that day on, I was looking for children for a healthy living. And a friend of mine, I call him my guardian angel. They told me about me ministry, and so I didn't know I was going to get here, but they helped me get here. And I thank God. When I got here at Me Ministry, I was immediately impressed with the spirituality of the ministry. People were able to help me to see that God can do everything, and we had to trust Him and believe in them. I found out when I got to Me Ministry that God wants to heal you in 2 ways. He wants to heal you physically. He wants to heal you spiritually. More importantly, the spiritually. You see, when you heal physically, that you will eventually pass away. But when you heal spiritually, that when eternal life gets in. And so I've been coming here for the last 10 days, and I would say the staff is very professional. That you can see for everyone that they're trusting God to do what only God can do. And I really appreciate them for the way they professionally and spiritually deal with me as a guest. I believe that ministry plays a good part in helping one to draw closer to God as God works His healing power in their life. And so I would encourage anybody who has any type of illness or just need their body restart, and because that they consider Me Ministry. God bless you. God bless the ministry, and God bless those who are in charge. I believe that God's gonna use Me Ministry as a way of hastening His soon return. Thank you very much, and I will encourage everybody to come and visit the campus, talk to the professional, the people that run it, and it will make a change in your life. And oh, by the way, I want to say, I appreciate those in the kitchen for the way they're able to transform God's food into great food. And I appreciate everyone in the kitchen, everyone that works in the garden, everyone that works through the campus. I have a great appreciation for you, and God bless you.